Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today I'm doing a bike swap with Gilly Bikes and I'm on this Harley-Davidson 883 XL Iron. I'm going to be showing you a closer view around it soon, so please stay tuned for that. But at the moment we're going on a ride. He's going to be having my Africa Twin for a little bit and I'm going to be on this. So we'll see how it fares with my height. But if you want to see more of this, bikes like this that I'm reviewing, please subscribe to my channel, Taffy Two Wheels, and like and subscribe please. Right, without further ado, we'll get out on the ride, then I'll show you the walk around later. Thank you very much. Right, let's go and test this lovely Harley. Let's start it up first, shall we? This is keyless and the keys are in my pocket. These indicators, left for left, right for right. Well then, I don't seem to be able to start it. How do you start it? I'm in neutral now, I'm just going to set these mirrors. We'll see how good they are when we start it. Ah, there you go. Hey, this is shaking like a shitting dog. Yeah, very good. Listen that beast. Right, if you can hear me talking over this, it'll be quite fun. Right, let's go and do it, shaggers. I can't believe you got on that bike. Right, I need to get into first now. What's in first? Oh God. This is completely out of water. But I do like it. Right, let's take it on the road, shall we? This is a completely different ride from my bike. Obviously, the exhaust does sound nice. A little bit of shake, rattle and roll. This is so nice to ride this. I didn't think these angle bars would suit me, but they do. And it feels the seat's comfy and it doesn't hurt your back. I'm not too overstretched with my arms. The seat position and peg position are brilliant. Listen to that. That's loud. That is absolutely deafening. But it does feel nice. I'm loving this. To be fair, there's not much rattle and shake and roll in it. I could do with a screening really, and a bigger tank and maybe some bar risers on it, or some bigger bars. Sidecar. Yes, this is a nice windy road, and the Harley angles superbly. And it's got that burble on that exhaust. It is so nice. Changing gears dead easy as well. Braking, everything's right up there. My legs are not cramped. Changing direction, superb, no issues with it. And the brakes, to be fair, are not as bad as I thought they'd be. Yeah, I'm loving this, absolutely I'm loving it. I mean, I love all bikes, but this is just different. This is my first Harley-Davidson ride ever. I just love the sound. It just sounds brilliant. And it's a clutch bike. A proper bike, as Gilly would say. It doesn't protect you from the wind on your legs, but who cares? I'm enjoying this. It sounds amazing. and everybody looks at you when it started up. It's come out of Kirby Longdale before, and it's enough noise to wake the dead. This, it's proper good. I like the clutch and like the gear change. It's absolutely fantastic, especially around these roads around where I am. It's definitely got the Heinz beans. Definitely got the Heinz beans with that exhaust on. I didn't think these angle bars would be comfy. I really didn't think they'd be comfy, but they are. They're really nice. I just think a little, probably a touch, 3 more inches probably, and a screen on it, just a bit better. For a long tour, then yeah. But for bingling around these roads, it's perfect. I never thought I'd like this bike. Thought it was too small for me, but it's not. So if you're 6'2" like I am, get yourself a test ride on one of these. And it doesn't, you get used to that, and it's not rattling and shaking as much as I thought it was. The vibrations, you get used to it, and you enjoy that sweet sound of that Harley-Davidson. You really do. And that bumble of that exhaust, nice cruising, absolutely wonderful. I certainly am enjoying this bike. Ah, listen to that exhaust! Yes! And the braking and everything, it's absolutely bang on. It's just all about the exhaust on this Harley. It's okay, 100 mile an hour, it's its top speed, but who cares? Who gives a damn? I don't. It's just so nice, and you can move it around dead easy. It's not, you know, it's not comfy. The seat is absolutely fantastic. You can feel it a little bit on your lower back, because I'm tall. That's why I reckon a few more inches on the bars would be alright for a long journey. But this is absolutely on it. Top draw. These brakes are not what I said they were. Didn't think they were that good, honestly. It's not a race bike, is it? It's a Harley. Everything works perfectly. I can't believe Gilly's just nicked one of my lines. What are you doing on a Sunday afternoon, he says. Well, what am I doing? I'm enjoying this Harley-Davidson. That's what I'm doing. This is a proper bike, this, isn't it? Proper bike. Oh, look, the red light. Single. It's very comfy where the pegs are. And I can touch the floor and then some. Having them pegs there is a lot comfier on my long legs. Just bumble through this lovely little town. Yeah, one thing I would say, if you do swap bikes like me and Gilly have today, make sure your insurance covers you, because otherwise, if anything goes wrong, you're not insured. Nationals! Oh yes, just cog it down a few, get that lovely Harley sound. Incidentally, I hope this Insta 360 1RS is performing alright. Let's just see, shall we? Tell me what you think in the comments. They could do with a screen on here, to be fair. The wind hits you, and if it's cold like it is today, you feel everything when you get past a certain miles per hour. However, around these bumbly roads that I'm on, it's quite adequate with no screen on. Get on the motorway, you definitely need protection. is lovely round here. It's a lovely Harley-Davidson. I'm riding it round. Just no throttle around here. Don't want to upset anybody. There we go. Back open it up again. I love the clutch and gear stick on this. It's just so easy to use. The wing mirrors are not bad as well. There's not much shake and rattle and roll on them. The suspension on this is good as well. I can't feel the bumps as much as I thought I would. Obviously, if I'm going over big bumps, I'm going to feel them, but it's not got the same suspension I've got on my Africa Twin, because it's not that type of motorcycle. But it's damn sight comfier. Going through Fenwick now. Ah, there you go, Fenwick. Or Fenwick. I don't think there's heated grips on this as well, to be fair. I expect you can probably get them aftermarket. Anyway, if you've got one of these, please leave a comment and tell me what you think about yours. Do you commute in it every day, or do you just go out on the Sundays, or what do you use it for? Well, I hope Gilly's having as much fun on my bike as I'm having on his. I'm sure he is. You can feel the resonance through your backside and the exhaust, but it's sort of a soothing resonance, like a massage ball on your bike. Well, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Completely flabbergasted. I wasn't sure about this bike. Like I'm not sure about most bikes I test, but you've got to ride them. Yeah, I'm going to pull in here now and swap our bikes back again and have a bit of a chat. Bit of a chat in. That was brilliant, that. Listen to that. And there you have it. Welcome to the walk around of this Harley-Davidson 883 XL Iron. There you go. That's the stage 2 upgraded air filter and the lovely slash cut exhaust in black from Vance and Hines. That's not to be confused with Heinz beans from Wigan. However, when you give this the beans, it certainly sounds nice. And saddlebags, keep your bits and bobs in. This is also a belt drive machine, which you can see there. And it's a single disc at the rear, single disc at the front. Double suspension, the rear, a nice king and queen seat there with the backrest. The V-twin engine. It's got Harley-Davidson tyres on, alloys, nice front-facing pegs, small tank. And them bars are a little bit low. Right, I'm going to get back on my bike now and film him on his Harley. Right, that walk round was very good, and a little ride of that Harley. Back on my own baby now. This is a monster compared to that Harley. And you can hear his exhaust now, can't you? Ready to rock, ready to roll. I keep remembering not to go to that clutch. I don't have one, listen to that. This is a lot higher up. This is well set up for me, this. The Harley's not, but if you have a bike, you set it up for yourself, don't you? You'll set it up for you. Yeah, I'll just do a little bit of overview now. Extremely impressed with the Harley. It just feels amazing. It looks amazing, it feels amazing. And if you're in the market for one of them, definitely ride one. But this suits me for the time being. I'm liking this a lot. It suits my build, my height, and I love the DCT. It's just brilliant. But that is something else to look for. Fortunately, I need to win the lottery and have loads of bikes in my garage. Anyway, yes, we've just done a nice bike swap. This is not keyless start, by the way. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and hope you enjoyed. And we'll see you soon. Another Taffy Two Wheels. Okay, bye for now. See you later. Toodaloo. Ta-da!